Hi there! Welcome to Docentes Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into the soothing and magical world of bedtime stories to help you learn English in a relaxing and enjoyable way. These short and simple stories are perfect for beginners because they use easy vocabulary, clear sentences, and gentle pacing that makes learning feel natural and stress-free. Bedtime stories aren't just for kids. They're an excellent tool for anyone learning a new language. They're filled with descriptive words, repetitive phrases, and valuable life lessons that make them both educational and enjoyable. By the end of this video, you'll have new vocabulary and a creative way to improve your English. Let's start with a classic bedtime story, The Tortoise and the Hare. The phrase "slow and steady wins the race" is a great example of a common expression you can use to encourage patience and persistence. The story also introduces words like fast, slow, and race, which are essential for beginners. Another favorite is Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown. This story uses repetitive phrases like "good night stars" and "good night air" to teach you how to say goodbye or end the day in English. It's simple, rhythmic, and perfect for practicing pronunciation. Then there's The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. This heartfelt story introduces emotional vocabulary like happy, sad, and love, along with phrases like, "I'll give you everything I have." It's a touching way to learn how to express feelings in English. Here's how you can use bedtime stories to improve your English. First, read the story aloud. Speaking the words out loud helps you practice pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Bedtime stories are designed to be read gently, which makes them ideal for building confidence in speaking. Second, focus on new words and phrases. Write down any words you don't recognize and learn their meanings. Practice using these words in your own sentences to make them part of your active vocabulary. Third, listen to audio versions. Many bedtime stories are available as audiobooks or narrated videos. Listening to a native speaker read the story helps you improve your listening skills and understand how words are pronounced naturally. Bedtime stories also introduce you to descriptive language. For example, in The Velveteen Rabbit, you'll hear phrases like soft and worn or shiny and new, which are great for describing objects in detail. Here are some tips to make the most of learning English with bedtime stories. Start with short and simple stories. Tales like The Three Little Pigs or The Ugly Duckling are easy to follow and great for beginners. Read the same story multiple times. Each time, focus on different aspects such as vocabulary, sentence structure, or how the story makes you feel. Try retelling the story in your own words. This helps you practice speaking and ensures you've understood the key points of the story. And most importantly, enjoy the calm and relaxation that bedtime stories bring. Let yourself be transported into the world of imagination while learning something new. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more practical and inspiring English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to turn timeless tales into powerful tools for learning English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.